So I have an exercise over here, and on analyzing this geometrical layout, we can understand that it is a revolved component. So the reason for me to tell that is because of the diameters which are mentioned in the dimensioning of the layout. You can see there are diameters mentioned. So whenever there are dimensions mentioned in the form of diametrical form, just understand there is a circular section present in the geometry. So you can understand that, okay, fine, this particular feature has to be created using the revolve command. Now on a closer look, you can see that the shaded region over here is representing the section A. Okay, so this is an offset view of this component, and you can see the circular feature over here as well. The total diameter of the geometry is 206 units, and there are 4 holes which are equally placed. So for creation of these holes, we can simply utilize the pattern command which we have already seen, and the type of pattern to be utilized is the axis pattern in this case. And you can also observe one more thing, that the hole or the type of hole is quite different actually. It is not a flat circular hole, it is a counter bore hole, because you can see there is a distance of 20 units which is present. I mean, that is the depth or the bore, and the remaining is a flat circular hole of 16 diameter. And on the shaded region, I mean the region where the material is present, we have certain dimensions over here. If this is the center axis over here, we have a diametric dimension of 96 units. Then we have the total diameter present in this view, which is equal to 206, and we have the widths present over here, 30 and 44. We have a key way over here whose dimensions are 14 by 5, and the diameter of this hole over here is 50 units. We also have certain amount of depth over here, which is again a diametric form, and it is equal to 96 units for a depth of 5 units. So let us try to work on it, and let us see how are we going to create this model, like what approach are we going to follow. So basically I will be creating the outer block at first. I mean, I will be creating the 98 by 30, and I will be also adding to it 44 by 208. Okay, then I'll just revolve it. After revolving it, we will do the material removal tasks. Okay, so first I'll just align the view very quickly. I'll hide the model tree so that you can have a very clear picture.